Class 10C, we are going to speak on the topic food and safety with the help of a small presentation made by us. Today we chose ITC as the multinational company. So now I'll be introducing my teammates, Sunil, Chakradhar, Dheer, Karthik and Abdul. Over to Sunil.
Good afternoon to all and all present here. I am going to speak about the history of ITC. ITC is one of the foremost multi-business companies which has various products, and then ITC is also one of the world's most reputable companies in the world. ITC is also India's most admired company in a survey conducted by Fortune India magazine and A Group. Thank you. Over to you.
Let me give you some information on food products of ITC. ITC's branded packaging food business is one of the most fastest growing food business in India, driven by the market standing and consumer franchise of the popular brands Ashirwad, Sunfeast, Bingo, UP, Kitchen of India, Be Natural, Minto, Candyman and Number. The food business is represented in multiple categories in the market, in noodles, spices, ready-to-eat, snack food, bakery, confectionery, and newly introduced juices. Over to Karthik.
Food preservatives and color. The creations of Sunfeast are 100% natural, and most of the products contain no preservatives. They are preserved without using any chemicals, and Kitchen of India claims that they have found a new method of preservation which is 100% natural and has no chemicals. It is used with pasteurization and traditional techniques which use oil and salt. Kitchens of India present the world with a range that has been passed to the most stringent and perfect quality, which checks to ensure the safest and best quality of the product. Over to Abdul.
Shelf life. The food products of ITC are designated as convenience food. It's often packaged at room temperature, refrigerated, or as dry mixes. These products have very long shelf life due to advancement in the preservation technology. They are divided into three categories: ambient, chilled, and frozen. Ambient. Food is pre-cooked, packed, and sealed in polymer pouches. Chilled. Cooked food is chilled and stored at 4 degrees Celsius for long shelf life. Frozen. These are cryomechanically frozen microwavable ready meals. Over to Chakradhar.
Good afternoon, Manana present here. I am here to talk about consumption of Sunfeast food product. All food product, whether it is biscuits, noodles, are they ready-to-eat food by Kitchens of India are consumed by many people across the world. We have children love to eat yummy noodles, biscuits, chocolates, etc. The ready-to-eat food has been very convenient for working women, bachelors, and vegetarian travelers who travels abroad. It is good to have this ready-to-eat food which made our lives convenient and happy. I am handing over my Karthik.
Marketing. ITC Food Truck delight millions of people with a wide range of differentiated products. Its packaging strengths are exciting, innovative, and has an excellent unmatched distribution network. The business continues to invest in every aspect of manufacturing, distribution, and managing to ensure that it can leverage emerging opportunities and fulfill its aspiration to become one of the best trusted companies in the branded packaged food industry. ITC Food Business also exports its products to the key centers of North America, Middle East, Africa, and Australia. Now I know the mic talk.
Packaging. ITC has enhanced the value of some of the most favored brands with superior look and feel packaging, using the best raw materials and process combinations. ITC's packaging business has won numerous awards for its quality, environmental management systems, and product excellence. With 3 packaging factories at Chennai, Bihar, and Haridwar, the company offers a comprehensive product range in packaging backed by its packaging expertise and cutting-edge technology. It really is one-stop shop for packaging. Now we would like to end this by saying Sunfeast. Now we would like to end this by saying Sunfeast.
I like Sunfeast and I cannot lie. Those other companies can't deny when Sunfeast walks in with noodles in the night.
Sorry for the inconvenience. So we would like to end this by saying Sunfeast. So much for being